so this could be largemouth bass. Yes, it is. Awesome. Awesome. Big one net. All right. That's a beauty. Wow. All right, here we go. Release him. Took off. All right, I drove a long ways to catch that bass, so I'm happy about that. That's 3 years in a row I've been able to catch largemouth bass, and again I got another decent sized fish, so very, very cool. Anyhow, I'm pretty burnt. It's been over 100 degrees out. I've been in it all day, so I'm gonna head out. We'll see what happens for tomorrow, so check in later.